Now, how do you know whether God exists or not? I'll tell you. Very simple. We use rationality and common sense. Can something come from nothing? Absolute nothingness. Okay, when I say absolute nothing, I'm saying no energy, no matter, no space, no quarks, nothing. If there was ever nothing, there will always be nothing. Because there will be no agency, nothing can come into existence. Nothing. Nothing can ever give a rise to something. Do you agree? Okay, now the universe that we're living in has a starting point that the scientists believe referred to as the Big Bang. You see, there was energy and matter compressed into a very minute singularity that expanded very quickly. Now we said you could have something from nothing. Do energy and matter, are they conscious beings that move by themselves, or do they require causes and someone to move them, or to have some influence on them or their agency? Energy and matter does not act by itself. They are not conscious realities. It cannot create itself. Yeah, logically nothing can create itself anyways. And if these things do not exist forever, they're starting with the universe. Then we need an explanation. Where did the energy and matter come from? Damaka 1. What caused the energy and matter of the universe to expand and to be the way it is? Because the way the universe expanded is very special. There are many books written on this. You have, for example, the book Six Numbers, for instance, about how, and it gives you like almost infinite numbers talking about the universe expansion. If the universe expanded any way differently, you're talking about a decimal difference. Here, you'll have an infinite amount of numbers that if one number were to change the universe. Now, on top of that, the way planet Earth is, that's called fine-tuning, or life existing on planet Earth. That also will require an infinite amount of numbers, and these infinite amount of numbers, if any of them, in different things, we are talking about electromagnetic waves. We're talking about the speed at which the universe expanded. Talking about the time when atoms started to exist after the universe existed. All of these things are precise. If any of these things that could have been infinitely otherwise were changed even with one decimal, there would be no universe, and there would never be life in existence. Now, what does that mean? That means that there was what you refer to a conscious, or every time you want to use, there was a decision made that things will happen the way they are. Whatever caused the universe, whatever that is, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to refer to it, whatever brought the energy matter into existence and caused it to expand the way it did in the precise way they did, intended it to be that way.